Hey guys, Rhett here, Section 8 Real Estate Investing. Thanks for watching. I'm going to tell you how I made my first $100,000 a year in passive income through my Section 8 rental properties. I'm telling you guys this because I'm starting to do this a lot with my clients. Some are building really large portfolios and they're using this exact method to do it. And I want to share with you how we're doing it, what we're doing, right? And it's a YouTube video, so it's going to be as in-depth as possible, but at the same time, you know, you're not sitting here at a desk with me. I can't go over every single number for you. So we're going to use some round numbers, and you're going to get the general idea of how I did it and how you can do it too. It's incredibly possible. I am a normal guy, just like you guys out there, and it is totally attainable for you to do this. It's just about having the right guidance and doing things the right way. So without further ado, let's dive right in, okay? So making $100,000 per year in passive income on Section 8 rental properties. Okay guys, I did this down in Birmingham, Alabama. This is where this model is going to be used from. I use Birmingham a lot because I think that it's the easiest market to get into for a lot of new investors. It was the first market, second market, but really first market that I dove into to grow a large rental portfolio, guys, okay? So I like using it as an example. The numbers are small, the numbers are easily understood, and those are just some of the reasons I like to use it. So now, round numbers, again, these are numbers that are gonna reflect the current market conditions, okay, for you, all right? So, purchase price, $50,000. My purchase price when I first got into this in 2017 was much lower, okay? It was about 33 to 35,000, okay, for acquisition cost. Right now, it's closer to 50 to get a high quality property, you know, in just about rent-ready condition. So on a $50,000 purchase, my average rent on $50,000 was actually about $935, but I'm gonna use lower numbers just to show you guys that it's still possible to get to our over $100,000 a year without maxing out a best case scenario of over $900 per month per rental unit, okay? So we're gonna use $875. So we're gonna go $50,000, which is on the higher side for a purchase price. We're gonna go monthly rent $875, which is on the lower end for rental income. So I like to use that, right? It's kind of a worst case scenario. Always in real estate, we should look at the worst case scenario, okay? So then we have our monthly gross on that rent, okay? So one property, $50,000, cash flowing at $875 gross per month gives us $875 gross, okay? Now, I'm not gonna bore you guys with mathematics and going through every detail and every month and adding, you know, $50,000 as we go every purchase, another $875 to rent every single purchase. It's very simple. I know that $50,000 can get me at least $875, okay? It did for me, all right? More than that. So, literally, all I did was keep buying. I kept purchasing property, right? If you've seen some of my other videos, you understand that as soon as I got to a certain number of them, I refinanced them to buy more. It's exactly what you do. That's how you do it, okay? So look, $875, right, at $50,000, do it again, times 2. Do it again, times 3. Do it again, times 4. Do it again, times 5. Do it again, times 6, right? You do that 10 times, and once you have 10, you're gonna be grossing $87.50 per month, right? $87.50 per month times 12, $105,000, $10. That's it, right? You see these people with large rental portfolios, and it's not brain surgery, right? If we create one thing that we know works, why not just multiply it? Why not just do it again and do it again and do it again and do it again, right? We talk about having a good team, okay? Good realtors, good contractors, good property managers, okay? That all goes into this, right? And that is the part of this that you don't see. That is what makes this work, because none of this is possible without a good team. But this is it. That's the math. That's all that it is. I know a lot of you guys out there, a lot of my clients, they want to be totally reliant upon passive income. They want to quit their jobs. They want passive income, passive income, passive income. And that's great, but how do we do that? How do we achieve that? How do we achieve financial freedom? This is how we do it, okay? And also, as some of you guys know, I love using this a portfolio example because it's round numbers, it's easy, it happened, it's real, so I can talk about it. But I also, if you guys watch my videos, I actually sold this portfolio. So giving somebody an investment, right, that's grossing $9,000 a month, and you don't even have to do anything for it, right? I mean, you just kind of just take it, and all the hard work's been done. The hard work is this. This is the hard work. Putting the tenant in there, doing the due diligence to find the property, property management here, contractor property management, contractor property management, contractor property management. That's what you don't see in this very simple diagram. But that's what people pay such a premium for when they buy it from you, okay? So right now, you want passive income, you want to make money, right? You want to not work and sit back, okay? And listen, pretty good, $100,000 a year, and look, I have a ton of friends of mine, even some clients, who have done this 10 times. They get their 10, they're not happy, they buy another 10. Now they have the equity, they have the cash flow to support purchasing in bigger bulk. So now they go from 10 to 20, they go from 20 to 30, they go from 30 to 50, they go from 50 to 75, right? So once you establish this base, it's a lot easier to do things. Also, if you're grinding away, you're purchasing $50,000, putting a tenant in, securing the property, setting up the property management company, on the look for another one, find one, do your due diligence, find another good property, okay? You're doing this over and over and over again. You're creating value. So when you go to sell this, you're selling a turnkey investment, okay? It's easy to sell. People want to buy this. They don't want to do all this hard legwork that you're already doing. You've already put in this legwork. So now, right, it's cash flowing $105,000 a month. Someone comes in and goes, damn, that'd be great. I'll take it. What's the going cap rate? Capitalization rate in that area for a good investment? Oh, I don't know, it's about 8% right now. Okay, pretty good. So you sell it at an 8 cap or whatever it is, okay? If it's a 10 cap, you multiply, it's really your net, but you multiply this net by 10, be worth $1 million, okay? If that was our net, all right? So guys, this is how you do it. And if you get to this point and you're not happy with it, you sell it and you make a ton of money because you've done all the legwork. You sell something turnkey. Turnkey is always more expensive, okay? Because you're paying a premium to get something that's already, all the hard work has already been done. All right, guys? So that's how I did it. $100,000 a year, passive income, easy. You can do it too. Leave your questions and comments. Thanks for watching.